I've had a dream for quite a while now, getting Scarlett Johansson's number and asking her out. I start by calling a photographer friend of mine to see if he knows someone, and he tells me that a friend of his cousin's has a sister who's worked on a film with Scarlett. So I call the cousin and ask for his friend's number, and then I call the friend to ask for his sister's number. She didn't have the number, but she gave me the name of the producer of the film. I search for the producer's name online, and it links me to the production company's website, but it's under construction, though there is an email address at the bottom. So I write to them pretending to be Malcolm Benville, a director's name I found on the web, and that I'm doing a film and I'd like to have Scarlett in it. A few days later, they say they cannot give me her number, but they can direct me to Scarlett's manager. Great, so I call the manager and arrange a meeting. It turns out this Malcolm Benville dude has a big mustache and curls, so I buy some pretty good fake ones online. In the meeting, I managed to convince the manager, and after 3 hours, he gives me Scarlett's mobile number. And here I am, just about to call her.
Scarlett Johansson?
Ding 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 ding